A steel horizon wakes under neon light. The industrial sovereign opens with precision and power. Slow dolly shots reveal polished surfaces and hidden engineering. Drone flyovers trace scale, discipline, and control. Crane reveals expose massive systems beneath a cinematic glow. Macro textures turn metal into a landscape of detail. This is direct sourcing, refined to an elite standard. Every supplier is vetted with technical audits. Every specification is checked twice. Bicon Mega Yacht appears first, a 142-foot diesel fortress. Security, performance, and luxury move as one. Then the Tawby battery line hums with industrial rhythm.